Hi everyone, it's your girl DJ Kiki Bangner, and today I am coming with a new video about how I put a ponytail over my locks. It was my birthday and I recently did a hairstyle on myself, and my DMs went crazy. Everybody was trying to figure out what, how, what, like, where's your locks? It looked like you have no locks. The ponytail was really pretty. I'm going to show it right here. And so many people was just fascinated on how I did it. And you would not believe that I didn't spend nothing but about $15 on that whole hairstyle. So let's get into it. So I first start by just brushing the hair up, just taming it and pushing it to the direction I want it to go. So of course, if it's a high ponytail, I start brushing the hair up. I am just using some basic eco gel. It doesn't matter. I usually choose strong hold because this hair here needs some strong hold, okay? Because it's very, very, very thick. So I'm just putting gel in the back and the front, and yeah. So now I'm using some jam, extra hold, to go on top of the gel. Yes, because since I have locks, I'm focusing on the new growth. And then again, like I stated, my hair is very, very thick. Before I had locks, my hair is very, very thick. So I do have to do like a double coating of holding products, gel and jam. But I'm just smoothing down the sides and gonna go ahead and brush it up. And now I'm just brushing, smoothing all that out, making it look nice and pretty. And yeah, just getting all that hair in a ponytail. Woo! Don't mind me, my arms was burning a little bit trying to do all that and hold all this in one big holder. So now that I have the hair in the ponytail, I start pinning down some of my locks to the back. So basically, I grab some of the locks, push them either to the side or towards the back, and just pin it in that direction. Since it is a drawstring ponytail, it comes with combs. I want the combs to be secure up front. So it doesn't really matter how the locks will look under the ponytail as long as the front doesn't show any locks. So I just start pinning them to the back. All right, so I've slapped this ponytail on. It's a drawstring, so it just come with combs. I put the combs on top of the lock bun, and now I'm actually pinning down the ponytail with some extra long pins for extra security because, you know, a little wind might blow or, you know, you never know. Top might go down in the car, and I just don't need this ponytail rolling down the street. I did buy a bag of Kankaline braided hairs, like 99 cents to $1.50, depending on what you buy. And I braided it together, burned the ends. And now I'm just going to wrap the braid around the ponytail and then pin the braid down to make it look more higher and more majestic. And just let y'all know that my face is beat by Love Looks by London at Love Looks Beauty Spa in Jacksonville, Florida. Listen, she beat my face to the gods, okay? Because it was my birthday and she slayed it, okay? And last but not least, some edge control, okay? So, you know, we do the little swoop to do thing with the edge control. Get the little edge control brush and smooth down those edges. So, you know, when I take them pics, you know, I got that little baby hair thing going on. You know what I'm saying? And voila, this is the finished product. So you don't see any locks. Okay, I am so proud of myself because it's cute. Thank you for watching.